Second day in a row that I've had to wake up by alarm. Isn't that crazy to think about? What a life I lead. Seriously, it's been an amazing couple years. Okay, still cleaned out, taped out, added some rattle trap. It's kind of like a dynamat to some of the walls. I hope the dude's coming. It was a no-show yesterday. It was a no-show in the morning, no-show in the evening. Steve is going to make a video. You should go check out his channel as well. Alright, you know what that sound is? You know what that suit is? Do you know what this hose is for? Well, if you guys have been paying attention, it's not so hard to figure out. We got the spray foam guys here today. So, me and Steve have been helping out. The idea is to cover every single thing that you don't want spray foam because the stuff gets everywhere. This is Christian. Let's see the top of your hat, man. So, it gets everywhere, sprinkles. So, we're covering up both the skylights, all the windows, all the front. We're going to cover the floor. And, this is cool. I'm excited. It's another step, step forward. Some more progress here with the build. This is the first time I've ever spray foamed. So, yeah, check this out. Everything's, nice and covered. It's gonna get sprayed. So yeah, and it goes a lot faster when you volunteer to help, and they're probably a little bit more, willing to give you a little extra spray on there. You know what I mean? Like I said, it's 100-something degrees when they spray it, so I'm guessing the wall is going to be hot. It is slightly warm where they just sprayed it. He's not spraying that part yet, but up here you can feel a little warmth coming through. However, once this stuff dries, it's insulation, so the heat won't come in, it won't go out, and vice versa. Jumped inside. Let's go in for an initial look. Looks awesome. That's like 6 inches of foam right there. 1.5 up here. About, I think 3 inches right there. And, we got some over the box too. Not the whole thing. There's not a lot of heat coming through this part, so it's not a big deal. It's mostly for like sound. So, but yeah, you guys did a great job. It looks really, really, really awesome. And now the fun part is we're gonna let this sit, and me and Steve are gonna cut it. So, that'll be fun. And I'm totally kidding. Alright, here we go. Here's the setup. We just got finished, and we have Christian here. He's going to briefly explain the difference between the Home Depot installation that you do by yourself and the professional stuff here.
Well, with the professional stuff, we have to heat up the foam to at least 125 degrees for it to work. And it has to be in the temperatures between 30 Fahrenheit, between not exceeding 120 degrees Fahrenheit, because if we exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit, we run a high risk of catching things on fire. And what the canister ones is, you need no heaters. You just spray it on, and it takes a lot longer to set in, and actually it gives you a lot less.
Yeah.
Thickness.
Yeah.
Thickness. And this one you get more. Yeah. Actually, even per the inch value, you get an R7 R value, and with the other one you get like an R5, I think, per inch. So you get an R value of 2 more.
Yeah.
This one,
and also, guys, for almost the same price, these guys came and sprayed it. They have a flat fee for buses and vans and things like that. For me, it was what? Why would I spend $600 at Home Depot if I can, you know, spend $700 to have the professionals do it? So, if you guys come to Colorado Custom Coachworks, hit them up, Denver Insulation. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right, see ya.
See ya.
All right, guys, switching gears from foam insulation, Justin came up with complete design diagram for the entire bus. That's pretty impressive. So, if anybody wants some help, paid help, hit up Mojo Bus on Instagram, and maybe he'll swing by your neighborhood and help you out with some cabinets and stuff. That looks awesome. I love that. There is a secret revealed right there. YouTube cabinet. That's going to be a little media cabinet for things in electronics. But here you can see the layout. We built the benches already. This is the part we're going to kind of semi-custom do, and then, you know, of course, the back part after that. So, you guys ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
All right. We also need to do a Lowe's run to get some foam cutting materials.
Or maybe other things.
This is uncharted territory for me. So, Justin, what is the next step after making designs and trying to get pieces to install for the kitchen area?
Well, we either have to buy the cabinets or we have to make them. We got to figure out that right now.
Yep.
We're going to make a list for all the plywood and all the materials we need to build it, and then go to the stores and see what they have that we can modify and see which one's going to work better for our needs.
Cool. Yeah, and some of the things that we need to modify is like the depth, the height, things like that, and of course the curve. We're doing a corner, kind of have like bumping out a little bit to make room for the shower is wider than, say, like the bench area. So I'm super grateful that Mojo Bus came by. I've never done cabinets before. I know Steve has, but I don't know plumbing, I don't know cabinetry, so thank you all for being here.
But he's got friends.
And I'm learning. Alright, the crew is back. We went to the Orange Place, we went to Lowe's, and then went back to the Orange Place. Basically, we accomplished not a lot. Now we're on the inside, and Justin's playing with his, it's kind of working, with his machete. We're gonna like trim down the spray foam, just kind of like that. Oh, yeah, we could try that too. JT just brought us a sawzall kind of thing. I don't know. I've heard this isn't the funnest, but you know, we got 4 people, so... Oh, check that out. I just wish it was a little longer. Oh, that's super fast. That's like a turkey cutter.
Yeah, you just might not be able to get the center of the bigger panels.
Right. That's cool. Alright. Well, here goes nothing. We'll check in a little bit. We're midway through. Renee, how you doing?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Renee has a light dusting of insulation. Steve has a medium dusting of insulation.
Do you want to make a snow?
Justin is pretty clean. Me, on the other hand, well, I look like a sugar-covered donut. Alright, it is the following day, just to follow up with, this will be the end of the insulation video. I'm trying to keep the projects kind of together so it's a little bit easier. We are in a shop, so there's background noise. This is what it looks like when you're done scraping. We don't know, we'll probably have to scrape some more stuff, but this was more or less everything that we needed. Just looking over a couple things, this is going to have to be trimmed down a little bit. That, possibly a little bit in the front here, but this is a rough cut. After this, we'll be putting on a ceiling, wood ceiling, cedar ceiling. It's gonna be tongue and groove. These little marks are where the recessed lights would go. So me and Steve, if you guys haven't met Steve already, Steampunk Steve. But yeah, this is more or less kind of, we're just checking out some lights. Justin and Renee took off and went and bought a lot of stuff. This is lovely Morgan right here. Thank you for the delivery. One of our Amazon deliveries. But yeah, that's it for this video.
We got stuff?
We got more stuff. That's more rattle trap. You're gonna love that.
Jeez.
There's a stove that came today. So we're ordering parts. Also, we had another bus come by. You guys will meet them when they come back. When Steve, Justin, and Ray kind of take off in about a week, you know, real time, another bus will be coming in to help. Ex-carpenter, fine craftsman person. So this is crazy. I was a little worried when Mike was taking off, but I now have help when the current help takes off, and what a big help Steve and the other guys have been. So we will catch you in the next video.